in slime. And we need our
first you add,
and I'll take this off. You know that it's orange. So there.
that is not soft. We already add our glue on accident is because we thought that we videoed it, but we didn't.
That's enough. We're just making it. Psych!
No, I'm just mixing a little. Now I start shaving cake. I love shaving.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't like shaving, but I don't want to shave my beard because I don't even have a beard.
Yeah. Real don't have a beard.
Yeah, only boys.
Okay.
Now, when you mix your shaving cream with your glue, you just add your detergent, which is time. Add slowly.
Slowly, blowly.
The moldy baboli.
Why is this not turning slime?
See, it's turning good slime. Just mix good.
Make more, please. More. A lot.
We don't need a lot because look at all that. You don't mix
Wait.
We just have to keep it. Okay, let me show this, guys.
Look at that. So we'll be back, guys.
Day, super big at 9. Shout out! Right now we're singing a song called "Call Away" because we love that song. I just want to sing it. I made that on Musically. Follow us on Musically.
Mine's evelynnican and kcbchum. That word? So weird.
Yeah.
I'll show it.
Mine is the tail one. We'll be linked in the description. And follow us on Snapchat. We'll link on the description too. Let me just add all.
Yeah, I was about to think. See that?
Oh,
It's getting harder.
And when it get harder, sometimes you can mix it with your hand or still with your arm. Okay, can I mix it now?
So big.
Ah! Oops. Sorry guys, I actually dropped something. And we'll be back.
Just a gel.
We'll be back again, guys. So right now our texture is like that, which is getting slimier. Look at that, guys. So
I need to mix it with one here.
guys, comment down below if you think it's gonna be good or a fail.
No.
It's too sticky right now. No. Why did you?
It's okay. I can get it off.
No. Just get it. Put it in here.
Wait. Let me mix it.
Hurry.
Fix it. Maybe we add too much.
We didn't add too much.
We add too much glue.
We didn't add too much.
So stretchy.
Evelyn, stop. I'm like freaking out.
It's so gorgeous.
Some of the ones are interesting. So that's the end of our slime. And
Wait, we forgot to show you my bunny. Linda will, my cousin will show you my bunny.
so yeah. So we're gonna look at the bunny. So the bunny is in there. Oh god. Guys. Oh, poor bunny. I love you. So let's go back to the slide. So we're back and
And subscribe for our channel. Bye.
peace out.